Keeping your manufacturing process up and running depends on good, reliable equipment. And keeping this equipment reliable requires a maintenance system that works for everyone in the plant. That's why organizations like yours are turning to a new generation of maintenance software to help them accomplish their reliability goals. You see, old, standalone CMMS and EAM softwares don't really help drive improvement because organizations are too busy managing software limitations instead of solving production problems. Limits like printing out PMs on paper so technicians have to carry them around and fill them out by hand, or spare parts in the MRO crib being tracked on clipboards and 3-ring binders, and trying to plan and schedule maintenance with zero visibility to the production schedule, causing tension between operations and the maintenance department. What is needed is an easy-to-use, easy on the budget, and easily managed maintenance software made for today's modern manufacturing plant. L2L Maintenance has all the tools required to effectively manage your entire maintenance process on the factory floor. Conceived and developed on the production floor by manufacturing professionals, L2L Maintenance has common sense features that ensures engagement by everyone. L2L Maintenance is the real deal when it comes to what maintenance departments need and want to do their job. From maintenance planning and scheduling, spare parts, digital checklists, cycle-based and condition-based maintenance capabilities, L2L has it all in a simple-to-use and simple-to-manage user experience. And unlike any other maintenance software on the market today, L2L has the capability to digitally run and track your entire total productive maintenance system. If you would like to learn more about L2L Maintenance, go to L2L.com and book a free demo today, or send us an email to info@L2L.com and we'll get right back to you.